and then a retracement. You want to see the sneak attack form in less than 7 hours. You don't want this thing to go on and on and on. You want it to be very, very fast. Why is that? Again, let's focus on the practicalities of this, the realities of trading. The reason why you want it to be fast is because you want buyers to get taken out, in this case, sellers in this case, to get taken out very, very quickly. Okay? Meaning they're all in. They dump in, they see the market moving down, boom. The trade goes off either at 1.272 or 1.618. Now, I have to be candid here. This particular sneak attack would have been difficult to trade because of this big bar. Big bars always should give you pause. Always. Because a big bar simply means momentum. I mean, look at the size of this thing. That really does suggest lower prices. This one suggests lower prices. This one, it suggested lower prices. Now, it just so happened that the market managed to hold that level. And I'm not going to go into great detail. I go over this in my various courses, but that's when you can start to use different entry techniques on, say, maybe a 30-minute or a 15-minute chart. I don't like going much below there. So we're going to look for those signs down in this area here. And we're simply going to be looking for the same kind of signs up here on the top end. So going long, I'm looking at this thing breaking above 2.0073. Keep in mind, you've got the prior week just overhead, so that is going to pose some resistance. You have to keep that in mind. So between 2.0070 and 2.0130, we've got an area where I'm expecting some resistance, possibly a breakout and trend continuation. So there you have it. The planning, the analysis, everything all wrapped up into one in just under 30 minutes, including a rather lengthy commentary. So keep these levels in mind. I encourage you to watch them, observe them. These types of planning elements will absolutely revolutionize anybody's trading. I don't care what system you're using. By simply adding this element of planning, you're going to find that when you do get a setup, and I don't care what signal you're using, this type of planning is forward-looking. Remember, we're not reacting to price. We're looking at logical places. I call them logical points. We're looking for logical points on the chart where traders are going to have to make a decision. It's that simple. So, with that, I hope you have a profitable week. It was a little bit slow on my end. I didn't have too many trades this week. There was just a lot of volatility and not a whole lot of nice conservative, what I call bread and butter setups. There was, one midweek or so that I managed to take after getting stopped out, but nevertheless, it was still a pretty good week for us. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you had a profitable week this week. God bless you. I'll talk to you later.